How you doing? I'm Hamish. First and foremost, I want to say thanks a lot and I respect and appreciate your donation means so much, because without your donation means these projects cannot move or the way how it's supposed to. So with your donation, that's how we get these whiteboards. With your donation, that's how we went to hire this camera, because even the camera I use right now is I have to go and hire, because the camera very expensive, so I can't afford the camera. So I want to say thanks a lot for all your time and your supports, because with your supports is where we can make this continent of Africa to restore its respects and uplift the community and uplift the African people from either from Africa or African diaspora or the people of Africa in general. So thanks a lot for your time. Let's get started without wasting time, without further ado. Let's get started. So now let's say question number 1 and question 2 are based on the following information. Consider the following figure. Means this figure right here. That's what I say. So now what do I want? Let's say perimeter. Oh, so let's talk about perimeter. Okay, of a gray. So gray is this dot because I couldn't draw gray in the figure, so I just represent using the dot. So this is the one, the perimeter of the gray shaded is. Means for now I could not draw shaded with this, so I had to put this dot. So now let me explain to you what is perimeter means. For example, if you have stuff like this, let's say somebody say find the perimeter of this triangle, for example. Okay, let's say somebody give you let's say this is 3 and here 3 and this is 5 and this is 5. They say find perimeter. Okay, this centimeter and this centimeter from here to there, from here to here is 3 centimeter, and this 5 centimeter. Okay, so when they say perimeter means walk around. Okay, I'm gonna start from here. I have to walk around. Now I go. Oh, so if I start from here, perimeter means all the length around the figure. So we're gonna go 5 plus 5, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 3, 16. Oh, so our perimeter, the total equal to 16 centimeter. So that's what I say. So when they say perimeter here, means we have to find that if you walk around, but where exactly? In a gray shaded region. Oh, which one is gray? So for now, since I didn't have a gray, so I use this dot to represent the gray. So to get the perimeter here is easy, because why is easy? Because I have a lot of length. Look, if this is 6 from here to here 6, and from here to here 6, means from right here all the way to right here is 12. 6 plus 6. So if this is 12 and all of this is 19, look, from here to right here is 19, but this length here is 12. So I'm gonna know this. Oh, it's easy, man. If all this is 19, if I take out, look, 6 together give us 12. So if all of this 19, I'm going to take out 12, means I'll be left with 7. So take 19 minus 12 equal to 7. So this length is 7 centimeters. Okay, so we want to get the perimeter of the gray shaded area, means the one, this perimeter here. Okay, so we have 5, so we're going to say perimeter equal, now we start 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Oh, the space is not enough here, so let me do this. Perimeter 5 centimeter plus. So this one we know, because look, if this to here is 7, is going to be the same length here, also 7. So it's going to be 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 centimeters. So we have, look, 5, 7 and 7. So we're left with this length and this length, which we have 6.5 and 6.5. So we're going to add 6.5 and add what? 6.5 centimeter for both. Okay, now we go. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5 equal to 19. So these two give us 19 and then we plus. Now 6.5 plus 6.5 equal to 13. So these together, they're going to give us 32, because 19 plus 13 equal to 32 centimeters. Oh, so the perimeter of the gray region is 32. So this option 2 is the correct answer. You know what I'm saying? So now we're done with that part. Okay? So now we go to the part number 2. So part number 2, let's say the combination area. Okay. Excuse me, this is gray here. Right, gray. Okay, so we don't need this because you know the answer. So now let's go to question number 2. So question number 2, they say a combined area. Oh, so means combined means we have another area of shaded figure, and the figure shaded with the black lines. Oh, so they talk about this area and this area, okay? Because shaded with the black lines, this, so they want the combination of area. Okay, so now look, so you got this and this, they want the combination of all of them. So there's 2 methods you can do here, okay? Let me show you face-to-face method, and I'll show you the second one, okay? So now I'm gonna say the first method. Look, since I want the combination of this area and that, let me find everything, and then when I get all area, I'm gonna take out these 2 because I don't need them. Like I'll find the whole area of the rectangle, and then I'll take this triangle out, and I'll cut this triangle out. Okay, so in other way, it's like, look, we got this, all of it. So this is 5, and this is 19 and 5 centimeters. So I'm gonna have to find the whole area, and then after I get my whole area, and then I'll deduct this, I'll take out this because I don't need this one. 2 must go. So now let's get the whole area. To get area is easy because area of a rectangle, you say always length times breadth, or length times width, or you can say breadth. Okay, what is the length? Our length equal to 19 centimeter, and our breadth equal to 5 centimeter. So you say length times breadth. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get the area. Okay, so now 19 times 5, take a calculator. 19 times 5. So 19 times 5 is going to give us 95, I think. So yeah, 19 times 5. Yeah, 95. 19 times 5 equal to 95. Centimeter times centimeter square. Oh, so this is the area of everything, like all this. So what we're going to do now, remember, we only need the combination of the gray and black lines. So what that means? Means we don't need this region. This region must go, and this region must go. Okay. So what we're going to do now, let's start with the region on top like this. We have to cut it and take it out. So this is a triangle. So for triangle, area of a triangle equal to a half times base of a triangle times the height. Area equal to base. What is base? Look, if this is a triangle, base this at the bottom. So we have a base. Oh, so area equal to a half times. What is a base? Base this at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? It base always it make angle 90 with a horizontal. So our base of this triangle is 6 plus 6 equal to 12 times the height. Height means for this triangle from here to there. Okay, look, if all this equal to 5, even here is going to be equal to 5. Even here is going to be 5 length. 5, 5, 5. Everywhere is 5 this length because the rectangle means this length, same with this length, same with this length. So if all this is 5, means from here to here is going to be 2.5. Oh, so for only this triangle is 2.5, and this is 2.5. So it means our height is going to be 2.5. You know what I'm saying? But remember, now if you take by 2, 1 by 2 equals 6. So you can put in the calculator 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Now 6 times 2.5, so you can say 6 times 2.5, which is going to give us 15, I believe. Yeah. 2.5 times 6. Let's just make sure. 2.5 times 6. Yeah, 15. So it's going to give us what? 15 centimeter square, because it's area. You know what I'm saying? Centimeter square. Okay, now we go. You know why? Because this is 6 centimeter and this 2.5 centimeter. So when you multiply 6 times 2.5, you get 15 centimeter times centimeter square. So this is the area of a triangle 1. But remember, this triangle is the same with this triangle. Can you see the base equal to 12 because this length is the same with this length? Okay, look, this length it is same with this length, and the height is going to be 2.5. So even area of a triangle 2 is going to be the same, which is 15 centimeter square. So we can add these two, means you're going to add this and that. So area of a triangle together, this and this of two triangles, let's say triangle equal to 15 plus 15 equal to 30 centimeter square. You know what I'm saying? So now we have this area and this one. So we're going to take the whole triangle of rectangle area and then we subtract these two. See? So we're going to say, okay, so now we're going to say our area of shaded region equal to 95 minus 30. 95 centimeter minus 30 centimeter. Okay, let's write that. I think it's going to be good and more professional. Area needed equal to 95 centimeter square minus 30 centimeter square. Okay, so 95 minus 30 equal to 65. So we get 65. Okay, centimeter square. So if you come in an option, so there's going to be option number 4. Listen, I appreciate your patience and time. If you face time, make sure you subscribe right here. Also leave a comment, so I'll be more than happy to respond to your comments. Thanks a lot. Peace in the mouth. Peace. Thanks. It's just a waste of time. You do this question, it is easy like that, man. Thanks a lot. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how I do things. If it's make sure you subscribe, and you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation, because to make this project going, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. Subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can. Okay, it's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things. We need to put them together, like camera, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace and love. Bye. This is one of my students of knowledge. She wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Gauri. I went to Southend Primary School.
Yeah, China Bantu. China Bantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name? Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise, I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name?
Joshua.
How much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so China Bantu is everywhere, man.
China Bantu. Everywhere. China Bantu everywhere.
Everywhere.
China Bantu.
Exactly. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, which advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Amish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. It actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Amish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.